this question. This is a 3-Venn diagram. In a survey of students, it was discovered that 76 like history, 98 like geography, and 87 like mathematics. 15 like all the 3 subjects. 39 like history and geography. 37 like history and mathematics. 48 like geography and mathematics. And 45 like none of the subjects. A. Show this information using a Venn diagram. And the second part, the B part, how many students took part in the survey? Okay, and the first thing we are going to do is to give notation for this information. The first one is let the universal sets, let it be a set of those who took part in the survey. That's the universal sets. You can use this symbol also for your universal sets, either of these two for your universal sets. Then we have history. Let's use age. Who like history, geography. Let's use the capital G. Set must be in capital letter. So those who like geography. And lastly, let's use M. Those who like mathematics. 15 likes all the 3 subjects. H intersect G intersect M. That's 15. That's the number of those that like the 3 subjects. Okay. Then we are also given that 39 like history and geography. 7 like history and mathematics. Geography, mathematics. 48. So this is my age. This is my geography, and this is my last one is my mathematics, all enclosed inside the universal sets. So we are given where the 3 Venn diagrams, where the overlaps, where all of them meet together. That is the age intersect geography, history, geography, and mathematics. This is the place. We are given in the question history, geography is 39, and that is this place. Okay, that is this place. But in this place now, 15 among those 39 is taking all the 3 subjects. So we want to find only those that take history and geography. That means you are going to deduct 15 from what? 39. Now we got to what? 24 in this place. And then the symbol for that is what? Age intersect geography intersect mathematics. What? 39 minus 15. And that is the history and geography only. And that's what? 24. And by the time you add it together, you still get back your what? History and geography as what? As 39. Then the next one what you do now is to get the history and mathematics. History intersect mathematics, excluding geography. History mathematics is 37, then minus what? This 15 also is also as taking part. This 15 is among those that take history and mathematics. This 15 is among those that take history and mathematics. So take this 15 away from 37. That's 22. So history and mathematics only is to also get the geography and mathematics. Geography and mathematics excluding EB. What is the number? We are told that those that take geography and mathematics, they are 48. But among these 48, we have 15 that takes all the 3 subjects. So it's going to be 48 minus what? Minus 15 to get those that take geography and mathematics only. And that will be 33 for geography and mathematics we are informed that 45 tick none of the subjects. So that will be outside the 3 boxes. Okay, that will be outside the 3 boxes. And that one will be, then the next thing to do now is to find those that take history only. History only, we want to find now, which is the display only. Those are displays. And that will be equal to the number you are given for history. We have 76 for this place, 98 for geography, 7 for mathematics. That will be equal to 76 minus, then you begin to add this one plus this one, 24 plus 15 plus 20, which is the same thing as 76 minus 24 minus 15 minus history only. So let's get the geography only. For history only, for this place, history only, we are going to exclude the geography, we are going to exclude the mathematics. For geography only, we are going to exclude the history, we are going to exclude the mathematics. That will be 98 minus 24 minus 15, and then minus 33. Okay, this is for geography only. This place is geography only. Finally, let's get the mathematics only. So we are going to exclude this one and this one, and that will be equal to mathematics for the whole of the box, for the whole of the cycle, we have 87. That will be minus 15, minus 22, minus 33. This is the whole of the box for mathematics only. Okay, and we have these people that are part of that cycle. Okay, so we need to take them away so that we can find this place. This is mathematics only. Okay, so that will give us, if we do this one, we're going to have 15, 22, then 33, 70. So it's going to give us 17. So the A part now is to show the information on the Venn diagram. So that's the solution for the A part. So that's that on that. And the final part is how many students took part in the survey. That is the number of students, the whole number, the total number of the students. Okay, and that will be the everything in this rectangular box, which is for 45. Okay, the 45 is a H union G union M all enclosed prime. And then the A union G union M is the combinations of these 3 circles. Okay, that's a 45, the one outside, then plus 15, plus 17, plus 26, and then plus 24, 15 plus 22 plus 33. So if you do all this, that will give us 197. So that's the number of students that took part in the survey. And that's that on these 3 Venn diagrams. Okay, so at this point, I want to say kindly click on the watermarks on this video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Put your comment through. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Make it a multiplier effect. Thank you for doing that. Next question on these aspects.